Hello students, welcome back to online class from LP Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am Zara Mirza. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies. I hope you all good and healthy at your home. Students, today we are going to discuss about exercises. So students, because this chapter has been explained in my previous video. So students, today we will complete exercises. Okay? So students, everyone take out your SST book and open chapter number 7 and also come on the page number 39. Students, I will remind you about festivals. Festivals are sometimes when people come together to celebrate something. Okay, some of the important festivals celebrated in India are Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parva, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Nowruz, etc. Okay, all Indians celebrate 3 national days like that: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Students, we also celebrate the birthdays of Dr. Radhakrishnan as Teachers Day and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Children's Day. Students, we celebrate Children's Day on birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, whom we call lovely Chacha Nehru to him. Okay, students, he loved children and also children loved him too. Okay, and also children loved him. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about word meaning, that is here giving on the page number 39, that is exploring new words. Students, what do you mean by festival? What do you mean by festival? Festival means festival a special celebration. Festival is a special celebration day. Okay? Now, second is procession. Second is procession. What is spelling of procession? Procession. Procession. That means a line of people moving slowly as part of a ceremony. Third is langar. What do you mean by langar? Usually the kitchen of a gurudwara. The kitchen of a gurudwara, where free meals are served to all visitors. Next, parade. What do you mean by parade? A procession. Okay. Now come to the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Come to the exercises, that is first fill in the blanks. First is on Eid people greet each other with words. You know very well, students, Muslim people greet each other with the words Eid Mubarak. Do you know spelling of Eid Mubarak? Yes, you know very well. Spelling of Eid, E-I-D, Eid, and Spelling of Mubarak, M-U-B-A-R-A-K. Eid Mubarak. So students, you can write spelling on this blank. Okay. So students, you can write spelling of Eid Mubarak on this blank. You can see on the screen. Okay. Here is already written by me. Now second is on Guru Parv 6 eat at a langar. Now Guru Parv 6 eat at the langar. What is spelling of langar? Spelling of langar, Langar, langar. Okay. So students, you can write on this blank. Okay. You can see here is written already by me. Now third is Christmas. Christmas celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. It falls on 25th December. Students, third is Christmas celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. That is falls on 25th December every year. Okay. Students, what is spelling of Jesus Christ? J-E-S-U-S, Jesus, C-H-R-I-S-T, Christ. You can write on this blank. Okay, because I am writing here already. Okay. So student, now next is fourth. That is the Parsi New Year is called Nowruz. Parsi is the. Now fifth is Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26th January. So students, you know very well, Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26th January. Okay. So tell me everyone, what is spelling of January? January, January. Okay. Here is written already on this blank. Okay. So students, you can write also in your notebook. Okay. Students, come to the next page. Second is next exercise. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. Here is given. There are 4 questions. Okay. And it has 3 options. Okay. According to sentence. According to question. Okay. So students, let me tell you, on Diwali what to do people? So students, here is given 3 options. Okay, 3 options A, B, C. Okay, so tell me everyone which option is correct. First is never burst crackers, and second is decorate their house with lights. Third is celebrate the birthday of Gandhi Jayanti. So students, on Diwali people decorate their house with lights. I have already explained, okay, about Diwali, what to do on Diwali. Okay, so students, people decorate their house with lights. Okay, so B option is correct. Okay. Now second is Christmas is celebrated on, you know very well, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, 25th December. Which option is correct? You can see it is not. B option is correct. Now third is Jan celebrated the birthday of, you can see, Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25 December, and Buddha, it is celebrated on Buddha Purnima. Okay, so students, B option is correct, will be okay, because it is related to Jain. Okay, so Jain celebrate the birthday of Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, so B option is correct. Now fourth is 15 August is celebrated in India. 15 August is celebrated in India as Independence Day. You know very well. Okay, so which option is correct will be? First option is correct will be. That means A. Okay, now third is answer the following questions. Answer the following question. First is describe how Ravi and his family celebrate Diwali. So students, answer it will be Ravi and his family decorate their house with lights and diyas. They wear new clothes and share sweets with friends and relatives. In the evening, they pray to the goddess Lakshmi. Okay. Now, second is how do Salima and her family celebrate Eid? So, students, answer will be Salima and her family go to the mosque to pray, and they greet everyone with the words Eid Mubarak. They greet everyone with the words Eid Mubarak. They give money, clothes or food to the needy person. Okay. Now, third is what do Sikhs do on Guru Parv? So students, Sikhs go to Guru Dwara where priests read out the Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. They also take part in procession and enjoy the langar. Now, fourth is name the 3 national days of India. So students, you know very well 3 national days of India. Okay. That is Republic Day, that is celebrated on 26th January, and Independence Day, that is celebrated on 15th August. Okay. And third is Gandhi Jayanti, that is celebrated on 2nd October. Okay. That is celebrated on 2nd October, etc. Okay. Now question number 5. On which day do we celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day? How do we celebrate them? We celebrate, so students, answer will be we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January and Independence Day on 15th August. Okay, we hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem on Independence Day. Okay. Now the next question is whose birthday do we celebrate on Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day celebrates? Okay, and also Children's Day. So students, Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, that is celebrated on 2nd October. Okay. Now Teachers Day, when we celebrate Teachers Day, it is celebrated on birthday of Dr. Radha Krishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radha Krishnan. Okay. Now when we celebrate Children's Day, it is celebrated on birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So students, that's it. Everyone learn and practice by the help of this video, and also complete your HW copy. Okay, exercise 1st and 3rd in your HW copy, and also you will complete neat and clean your notebook by the help of this video. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.